that Magnolia section is calling me. I'm be chilling, minding my business. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by GLEEMADE Collection. They were kind of sending me some more units to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about these units straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, we got some units from GLEEMADE Collection today. They sent me 2 units to review for you guys. Both of these units do come from their Melt collection, so if you're not new to my channel, then you know I have reviewed for them. Who was in my backyard? Who was in my... What? Okay, they're working. Go sit down. Don't open that door, Emmy. Okay, so like I said, these units come to us from GLEEMADE Collection. They are both a part of their Melt series, and the first one we're going to talk about is the unit Bisa. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color OET 1B/30, and she does retail around that $49, $50 price point, depending on where you get her from, okay? This unit does come with a HD 13x6 lace frontal, so that's 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches deep here in the middle. It also has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit is big head friendly. Thank you. I even had excess lace hanging over my ears. Boom. So thank you, GLEEMADE Collection, for giving us big head girls another one. It also comes with an adjustable elastic band that you can tighten down onto your head if you need to, okay? Small head girls, y'all still in the mix. GLEEMADE Collection stepping it up, okay? Thank you. This unit also comes with a natural density hairline, which I feel is bomb. They did it with this hairline, y'all. Even though mine is hidden right now based on how I have it styled, this is how that hairline was looking out the pack with the hair all pushed back, y'all. Y'all, do y'all see that hairline? Do you see the hairline? Y'all, that bomb, okay, bomb. This joint is sitting real nice, and the lace, ooh. Way soft as butter. I went in with my powder across the hairline to make sure it was, you know, the right color, and then I put that joint in my head, did a little bit of my foundation around the top, and y'all, that hairline is sitting on my forehead. Lace, where art thou? I'm searching for the lace. Hey, if I was to spray this joint down, who gonna clock me? Okay, who gonna check me? Now, this is a heat resistant fiber, so she is heat safe up to 360 degrees. I tell y'all all the time, okay, don't play that heat mess with Janet, okay? They not built like that. 360 and below is where you should go, okay? Don't go over that, trust me. Don't say I didn't tell you, Claudine. This is how far the unit comes down on me, so it's at my chest. I'm 5'6", so that's how she's sitting, okay? Boom, boom. And then to the back, she comes down about mid-back for me. The density of this unit is pretty natural. When I took her out the pack, I was like, oh, okay. I was a little bit surprised. I wasn't expecting it to feel how it felt or to look how it looked. On the card, she looks a little thin, so I wasn't expecting her to be as thick when I took her out the pack, but the cap is ventilated, so if you're not careful how you style your hair under this cap, you will get some little pew pew going on. They be all up in the back. So my hair is pinned back on this unit, so you can't really see mine, but I do feel that bobby pin right there, so you know, be careful with that. Now I did get some shedding with my unit. I don't know if it's because of the color, just the unit in general, so just be mindful of that. The main con that I have for this unit though, is the tangling, and that's why I styled my hair like this, because I didn't want to have all the hair down on my face, because those flyaways, Cindy Lou and Bonnie were attacking my eyelashes and my lip gloss, and we was about to fight. Y'all see them trying to act up right there? Y'all see them right there? The flyaways are atrocious, okay, and these tangles are even worse, okay? Tangles right out the pack though, Janet? And I think it's because of the hair texture. It's a very sleek texture. And with those sleek textures, it doesn't matter if they're thick or thin, they still will produce flyaways and tangles. And this one did not disappoint, okay? Now, I'm not getting none right now as I'm pulling my fingers through, but once you start moving the hair around and changing up your styles and things like that, you will get tangles. They brush out, okay? They do brush out, but you will get tangles. And I don't mean like snags. I mean legit knots, okay? So just be careful with that, okay? I do feel like the hairline is bomb, the lace is bomb, the parting space is bomb. I just feel like the hair texture for me personally could have been a lot better for this price point, okay? She still can give some looks. They just may not last as long. That's all. But that's all I got for this one. Let's go ahead and put on wig number 2 and see what we think about her, okay? Let's go.
Hey, yeah, I'm gonna shoot, baby.
So I turned on my ring light while I was doing the put down for this unit just to make sure you guys could see this lace because y'all, you wasn't gonna believe me. Okay, so this is the unit Deja. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B and she does retail for about $50 depending on where you shop at. The cap construction for this unit is the same as the first one, so 13x6 HD lace parting area, 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches deep here in the middle. It also comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has the adjustable elastic band, so if you want to use that joint, you can. Us big head girls got another one. Michael Jackson. I had a little bit of excess I had to cut off on my ears, and then I just went in and bobby pinned the sides here because I was not going to glue her down. No glue on my hairline, sis. I want you to stay up here. I want you to stay. No glue on my hairline, y'all. Okay, no glue on the hairline, sis. Now this one's also heat safe up to 360, so if you want to put some heat on this joint, you can do that, but I don't see the point, okay? Just in case though, just in case. The fact that you can melt these units with no glue, no freeze spray, no... I love the curl of this one. I was hoping it was gonna serve me what I needed to serve me because on her card I was a little worried. I was like, man, I don't want her to look all stringy like this. No, the curls are just oh y'all. She looks good, okay? She look real good, y'all. I'm seeing myself. Y'all barking because I look good, I know. The curl is so pretty, so nice. Now, as I'm pulling on the unit, am I getting shedding? I'm getting a little bit of shedding with this one, so be careful of that. But this is a curly unit, so I won't be putting my hands all through this or whatever. Once I style it, it's good to go. So I'm not really worried about the shedding of this unit. As well as the tangling, I'm not getting anything, but again, it is a curly unit, so she will eventually mat up depending on how often you wear her. Because this is a 13x6 lace parting area, you can definitely do some styles with her. You can do like a little half up, half down. You can do like the middle part. You can do a flip over. You can do a defined part on your side. You can do some little twist here in the front. You can do some things with this unit and I love it, okay? This one is definitely my favorite. I feel like this one will last a lot longer than Bisa. I'm not even sure if I've seen any reviews on this one. The only one that I can think that may have reviewed this one is Phoebe Rome. I'm not sure though. I feel like I've seen this one on her. If she did review this one, I will link it down below so you guys can check her out. And I believe in August, I did a human hair unit that I really loved. The lace was bomb. It melted down really well and it looked just like this. And a lot of you guys didn't really care for that because you felt that it was too expensive for the, you know, the length or whatever. I believe with the discount for that one, it was like $140. Y'all, your girl came through, okay? Your girl came through with the help of Janet. If y'all don't get this wig, I'm telling you right now, if y'all don't get this wig, she has a very nice like tapered look to her and I really like that. I really like it. This is how she's looking to the back. Can you guys see that? It's giving like an old school salt and pepper vibe. Y'all, do y'all see that? If you don't like it, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna be chilling, minding my business. Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? Nobody. I don't gotta brush it. I don't gotta glue nothing down. I can do some baby hairs if I want to. If I don't want to, I can push some joints back and go on about my business. Y'all, hello? Hey Shannon, this looks good, okay? This looks, ooh, wait a minute. Based on all the ones that I've tried from the Melt series, this one is my favorite. I feel like she's worth it, okay? I feel like the $50, I will pay for this one. Yes, I'm going to Target today. Y'all know when I get excited, I'm going to Target. That Magnolia section is calling me because y'all, they need to see this. Definitely shout out to GLEEMADE Collection for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put direct links for this unit down below so you guys want to check it out. You can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.